Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Mary Rafonzel Resuera. I was born on March 5, 1994. I am 29 years old, single, and college graduate. I am working here in Doha, Qatar as a lady driver for almost 4 years up to present. My duties are, in the morning, I bring the children to the school. After that, I go back in the house and do the household chores, like cleaning the house, washing dishes, washing clothes, and ironing. I try to finish all the housework before I pick up the children from the school. In the afternoon, I am driving with my madam until night. When we go back into the house, before I rest, I make sure that the car is clean. To my future employer, I hope you will give me a chance, and I will promise that I will serve you and your family well. Thank you and God bless.